Hello everyone, now we're at SNEC 2023 and sitting next to me is Jersey from Resin Energy and he is the Senior Product Manager. So
Hello.
happy to see you.
Hello.
Okay, so before we start this interview, tell me how you feel about this exhibition.
Wow, I have to tell you that this exhibition is nothing like I have ever seen, especially when it comes to size. So this is a huge fair. So many companies, so many booths, so many halls, and then so many people. So there are a lot of visitants. It's really crowded, but it's really a good vibe. People are very interested in the products. Also, there are more companies, obviously, and the companies do the best what they can to attract the customers. So there are a lot of performances as well, and it all looks good, I have to say.
Okay, just tell us about the products that you are showing right now at your booth.
Okay, so at our booth we are showing our different products, also from different entities, but I would like to concentrate maybe on the PV modules. And within this group of products, we are showing products from all of the families that we have. So we have our classical family, which is P-type PERC, which has been already on the market for some time, so this is maybe nothing new for the customers. But we continue to produce it and offer to the customers. Apart from that, we have also two different new families of the products, which we are delivering this year. The first family is N-type TopCon family, and here we are presenting two models. One model is 450 watts, which is dedicated for the residential segment. This is a smaller module, but also quite powerful. And the second one is 600 watts module, more for C&I segment. Again, as I said, TopCon with efficiencies above 22%. Then we have our third family, which is our hit product, which we are delivering this year. And this is heterojunction technology, N-type heterojunction. We call it Hyper-ion. And here we have two models for our customers, which we will deliver this year to the market. And they are designated for the utility customers and large C&I. So the power from 585, the smaller model, and 700 watt for the big model. And it's already also an information for you that with this big model, we have already broken a world record of power because we have constructed the module of above 740 watt with the same size. And this model will be delivered to the market, presented later, probably next year.
Okay. Tell us more about the specific features or regarding the reliability and the efficiency about the products.
Yes. So specifically speaking about heterojunction product, I will maybe say some more words, spend some more time to describe it because it's quite interesting. What differs this maybe unknown technology for our customers from, for example, TopCon and PERC? So there are four aspects. First aspect I have already mentioned a little bit, which is efficiency. So we can expect efficiencies 22.5% and higher. The second thing, apart from the efficiency, is temperature coefficient. So this means that this module will outperform other technologies, and particularly this difference will be more significant in the areas where the temperature are higher. The next thing I mentioned about efficiency of the front side, but there is also back side. So these are obviously bifacial modules. The efficiency of the back side is at the level of 85%, which is higher than TopCon and PERC. And the next thing is the degradation. So the annual first year degradation is at the level of 1%, and the annual average degradation is 0.3%, which again is better than in the neighboring technologies such as TopCon and PERC.
Okay, so I guess what you have just said are the main advantages comparing to traditional solar cells. So how do you transfer these benefits to end users?
Yes. So all of these four aspects, they have specific meaning to the customers, especially the customers of HJT. These will be utility type of customers, large project owners, large farm EPC companies, and they will seek specifically return on investment for their invested money. So we did our best in order to provide them the highest yield from the modules, and these all four aspects, they provide just that. But not only the saving, and the saving will come from the higher yield, but on top of that, when the customers are using these high efficient modules, they will also experience reduction of the BOS. So these are the neighboring elements of the PV installation that will be reduced basically. So they will use less of the cables, for example, or less of the construction mounting structures, or less grounding works. So this will be transferred also to the savings for the customers.
Okay, good to know. So we can't help but notice that the newly launched the Hyper Iron product that you have shown on your site has drawn tremendous attention. So, have you ever seen, strong demand for this kind of product around the globe?
Yes, it's a good word that you mentioned. So for the moment, it draws a lot of attention because our customers are interested in lowering their LCOE, as I said, achieving high return on the investment. And we are specifically describing and telling the customers how they are going to reach it. We are showing the simulation results from the simulations that we do, comparisons between other technologies, and also the results from the real sites that we have delivered, because we do have also test sites that we monitor. So for the moment, we have a lot of attention, and I think the real boom for the orders and for the deliveries, it will start when the modules are manufactured, which will happen very soon this year.